morning, children. In our first session of our online class after the summer vacation, we will be starting with Indian economic development. This is the second part of your economics. The first part is macroeconomics and the second part is Indian economic development. In this Indian economic development, the first chapter, it is Indian economy on the eve of independence. It means at the time of independence, how was the Indian economy working? So there are 10 features of Indian economy on the eve of independence. First we will study these 5. The first feature of Indian economy on the eve of independence, इसका मतलब इंडिपेंडेंस के टाइम हमारी इकोनॉमी किस तरह की थी. फर्स्ट इज स्टैग्नेंट इकोनॉमी, सेकंड इज बैकवर्ड इकोनॉमी, थर्ड एग्रीकल्चरल बैकवर्डनेस, फोर्थ इंडस्ट्रियल बैकवर्डनेस and fifth rampant poverty. So now I will explain you first point, stagnant economy. So stagnant means रुका हुआ, which is not working. Okay, stagnant means रुका हुआ, stable. Our economy was not growing that time. So at the time of independence, India was having the per capita income even less than 1% per annum. Our per capita income was even less than 1% per annum. And Indian population, bulk of Indian population was living in poverty. Okay, economy हमारी रुकी हुई थी, आगे नहीं बढ़ रही थी. Because no development, no scientification, no education standard, nothing was there. If we come to the second point, that is backward economy. In backward economy, I would like to say Indian economy was a backward economy on the eve of independence because backward economy means the backwardness of our per capita income and widespread unemployment. People, those who were not engaged with agricultural work or even with the agricultural work, they were not having other kind of work or the source of livelihood. Industrialization was negligible. So at that time our economy was highly backward. Third is agricultural backwardness. We know at the time of independence our 90% population was engaged with agriculture. But 72% of country's working population was engaged in agriculture and their contribution to GDP was only 50%. Whatever our total GDP was there, although more 3/4 population was engaged with agriculture, but still their share in the GDP was as low as less than 50%. 50. Food grain production was barely enough for subsistence. It means hardly we could generate the crop cultivation which could survive anyhow to the Indian population. We could not think of any kind of export of food grain. Then next point is industrial backwardness. By the name itself it is clear that Indian industrial sector was highly backward. At that time we were having only cotton and jute industries that do not develop and their working pattern was as given by the Britishers at that time. Small scale and cottage industries were almost ruined. They were stopped. So if I say that industrial sector was around 0% to 5%, then it is not wrong. Okay, ये condition थी हमारी at the time of independence. Then rampant poverty. Rampant means spreaded. It means everywhere the poverty was spreaded. हमारे यहाँ पर more than 50% of the people were living below poverty line. So the condition of Indian population in terms of economy was not at all good. तो समझ में आए 5 पॉइंट. Indian economy was stagnant, backward, agricultural backwardness was there, industrial backwardness was there, and everywhere the poverty was spread. Before continuing to the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 point, I must say, do take care of theoretical subject. The experience says that when the children are losing marks in economics, it is just because of theoretical portion, not because of numerical portion. So don't ignore it, don't take it lightly. Clear? Next feature is poor infrastructure. Infrastructure means road, water, electricity and basic amenities which is provided to the citizen. At that time our infrastructure was very poor. The electricity supply was extremely low. Length of railway lines was not even 60,000 kilometers, which is now more than 63 lakh kilometers. So if we compare our infrastructure at that time, so transportation, electricity, roads, the condition was highly impaired. उस समय हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो है वो highly poor condition में. Next, by name itself it is clear, heavy dependence on imports. It means our production, as we have already discussed, our industrial production was almost nil. In that condition, whatever requirements of the country was there, that was being done through other countries. So our dependency was highly on import from other countries. इससे क्या होता है, हमारे देश की इनकम बाहर जा रही थी, हमारा पर कैपिटा इनकम सुधर नहीं रहा था, महंगाई बढ़ रही थी, तो ये सारी चीजें इंपोर्ट के कारण. Then next is limited urbanization. You know what is urbanization? Urbanization means conversion of small villages and towns to cities. उसको हम urbanization कहते हैं. तो इंडिया में उस समय at the time of independence, very few cities were there which we could call as urban towns or urban cities. और urbanization होने से फायदा ये होता है कि इंडस्ट्रीज का बेस बनता है, बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज लोगों को मिलती है, तो लाइफ स्टाइल सुधरता है. दैट इज वाई दैट टाइम इट वॉज वेरी लिमिटेड. देन नेक्स्ट इज सेमी फ्यूडल इकोनॉमी. फ्यूडल मीन्स परंपरागत या बैक, जैसा चला आ रहा है वैसे ही चलने देने को फ्यूडल. सो उस टाइम हमारी इकोनॉमी वॉज नाइदर कैपिटलिस्टिक completely nor completely socialistic. So it was in dilemma. So the condition was, our economy was, we could not define here. Neither it was mixed, nor completely socialist, nor completely capitalist. मगर फिर भी 95% राइट सिर्फ सरकार के हाथों में है. इकोनॉमी, it means although we got free from British rule, but the pattern of running our own economy was totally Britishers. और हमें मालूम है ब्रिटिशर्स इकोनॉमी वॉज नॉट इंडियन फ्रेंडली. सो उस समय हमें जो प्रॉब्लम बेसिकली आ रही थी वो ये थी कि हमारा पूरा इकोनॉमिकल सेटअप जो था वो सेटअप था विच वॉज इस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. सो टू इरेडिकेट दैट एंड टू come up with new dependency on Indian economy, it was a tedious or difficult task at that time. So these are the features of Indian economy at the time of independence. Read it, try to understand it now itself, and if there is any query, just let me know right now online.